orders that I need to complete right here. So then I should be done, hopefully. The sale is over on the 18th, so hopefully I'll be done by then. I'll be okay if I don't see a tray for a couple of days. Alright, so these orders are dry and about to go to shipping, and then another order, then the rest of my orders are there. Good morning, everyone. Don't judge me. I went to Disney on Ice last night and my hair sweated out. But anyways, y'all like our tree, Blazin Beauty. Blazin Beauty. Okay, so I'm about to go to the post office. As you guys can see, I am about to go send those orders off. My phone has been going crazy this morning. Cha-ching, cha-ching, cha-ching. It is Friday, so people got paid. So they're doing their last minute shopping. Well, it's not even last minute. So they're doing their shopping. So I'm gonna go to the post office, mail these orders off, enter your tracking numbers, and then get home and get to work on the rest of the orders. All right?